This video is everything about how I repair eyeball tablet which won't turn on. So let's fix it. On the power button, it's showing continuity. That means it's pressed continuously. I think this is one of the reasons that's why the tablet is not turning on. I am removing the power and volume button strip and try to fix the same. If it's work, then I don't need to replace the same with the new one. Otherwise, I have to do. See, now there is a no shot on the power button strip. So quickly I am trying to power on the tablet with the charger plugged in. But the condition is the same again. So let's test further. Now I am going to check the battery. It's showing approx 0.903 volt. That means battery is completely drained. Here we found the second reason why the tablet is not turned on. So let's disconnect the battery from the tablet and charge the battery with the DC power supply. One thing I notice here that the battery is not taking charge. I am testing the battery connecting wires whether it's proper or not. So wire are proper. See here, the connector of the battery itself is broken. Hence that's why it's not making connectivity and not charging. So I am quickly soldering them and then we will check again to charge. Now the battery is charging. Let the battery charge to approx 3.6 volt to 3.8 volt and then we will check again. As I said, the battery is fully charged. Now we'll connect to the motherboard and then we will check the tablet. Tablet is taking charge and display also appear. So quickly I am trying to power on the tablet. And it's turned on successfully. That means our job is done. If you enjoy this video, then keep subscribe to our channel and consider the like button. Thanks for watching.